And hello once more, everybody. Aiden Blank with you. And Steve, we have some more important news. The game has been canceled. They just called it as we speak a few minutes ago. RCP and Ellington will play tomorrow morning at 11 a.m. So our schedule for tomorrow looks like this. 11 a.m., these two will play. Then the loser of that game will play again right afterwards. And they will play West Hartford. Yep. And then the winner of that game will play at 4 against Tri-County. Of course, this is all weather pending. I'm going to assume that they're going to be able to get this field ready once the rain holds off. But, of course, this is all weather pending.
Well, what it means is the teams that played earlier today, they'll play tomorrow, but these two teams will play twice tomorrow.
And, of course, both these teams will be at an extreme disadvantage having to play double dips basically tomorrow.
Yeah. They can start the same pitchers under the rules, and when I finally got that straightened out, they can bring back the same pitcher. The question then becomes, do you want to? You know, anytime you take a pitcher and you have him throw 3 innings and warm up and all that, and coming back again on the next day, is he going to be the same pitcher?
Yeah, and I think it's going to be interesting. As you can see, it is dark. It's going to be interesting to watch.
Yeah, it shall be. And I don't think RCP has any real choice, though. They'll probably have to go back to Budzik again because he's the best eligible pitcher they have ready. So they'll probably come back with him. What Ellington does, who knows. But in any event, it's still a tie game. It's 1-1. Each team got a run. RCP had 2 hits. Ellington had 1. Their RCP left 3 runners on base in the game so far. But, we'll be back again tomorrow right here. I think it was the right decision to try to play it again.
Yeah.
And as they fixed the field, the rain had stopped, and then it had started up again. And unfortunately, it looks like blue sky off to the left of us, a little blue sky picking in, the sun maybe creeping in. But
I mean, it's kind of been on and off, and I think that's how it's going to be all night. And I think if we had waited, I don't think we would have gotten anywhere.
Yeah.
Because every time, it would have been the same thing. Every time that they put together the field, it would have rained again. So you're at a very tough
spot. Yep. They'll save their strength for tomorrow, the grounds crew.
Yep. It will be fun. So, again, I mean, the only way that you can really get through tomorrow is that you need to win that first game. If you can win this game, if RCP or Ellington can win this game, then at least you're playing it for not an elimination game. You don't have to play.
Yeah, absolutely.
You get a little bit of leeway, and if you lose, you still get to play on Monday. Right. You don't have to play, whereas if the loser of this game, if RCP or Ellington lose this game, they will have to play on Monday. They will have to play. They are out.
They're out if they lose.
So
the loser of this game tomorrow at 11.
Yeah. And I think it becomes a must-win for RCP.
Well, it's all going to be contracted into 11 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 4 o'clock.
Yep.
And I'll have it all here on SportingNewsCT.com.
Yeah, I mean, you have to.
Do we have any word on the other game, though, is the question, Aiden? Do we know what's happened in the other game so far? Is that game over?
Which game?
Game in Meriden. The second game.
It was over.
It was over.
Yes. They got both games done in Meriden today.
Okay. So the question is, did Naugatuck lose to who were they playing? I'm trying to remember.
I'll get you a scoreboard update, but
yeah,
look on ctlegion.org. They do a great job updating that, and we will say so long under dark skies here at Muzzy Field that are turning light. RCP and Ellington 1-1. They are going to play tomorrow, so our schedule for Muzzy Field tomorrow, we will begin at 11 with these two resuming their game in the top of the 4th. We will then move on to the 12 p.m. game, the 1 p.m. game immediately afterwards, with the loser of this game playing West Hartford, and then the winner of this game will play Tri-County at 4. So for everybody that has worked tirelessly here on the grounds crew today, everybody that has worked tirelessly in the press box today, including me and you, Steve, we will say goodnight, and we will see you tomorrow morning. 11, 1, and 4 are your game times.